Welcome back to Out of Context with Ghent. Today I'm going to be telling you what fight song goes with what college. This feels very Cincinnati to me. To me, let me tell you. Yeah. To me, it sounds like it should be just like a ha 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 ha, like, just over and over again, just like Kings Island, like the little guys that are in the what's that ride called? Express, the Adventure Express. That's what it is. And they're just up in that and
like a pickaxe.
Yeah. This is Louisville. Okay. Bearcats. Cincinnati. Okay. Louisville. West Virginia. It's gotta be. That's where the Appalachia is. Actually, it's pronounced the APPLE-LATCH-YUH because they'll say if you say it's the Appalachia, then they'll throw an apple at you. Oh. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, that's from one of my cryptid podcasts. Okay, well, awesome. Well, that was Out of Context, and you're welcome.